Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You stop the app now. This prevents further damage and makes recovery predictable. Once stopped, back up the entire data folder to a separate drive or cloud so you can revert if needed. Next, locate the app version and the primary data and config file names. This tells you which tool or format to use. Make sure to note timestamps. These first actions save time and let you safely proceed into targeted repair steps without risking additional corruption. You run the built-in repair or validation tool first. App vendors often include loss-minimizing fixes. If that fails, compute checksums and run file system checks like chkdsk or fsck to rule out disk-level errors. Then use app-specific parsers or recovery utilities to extract readable records and export them to CSV or JSON for inspection. Once done, scan for consistency issues, missing fields, or duplicate. You import cleaned records into a test instance first. This protects production while you verify outcomes. After import, run integrity checks and execute sample transactions to confirm correct behavior and performance. If everything looks good, promote the test to production and keep the pre-repair backup for 7 days. If problems persist, restore the backup immediately and collect logs, then contact the vendor or escalate to a specialist. One tip: enable verbose logging during retries. It reveals the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.